This is going to be an introduction to KiCad, which is a package for designing and making circuit boards. Those circuit boards could either be manufactured by ourselves, or for what we'll do is order them from a company, and your plans get shipped off to a company in China, and within a week you'll have your actual circuit board that you can then solder together and wire up. But before we do anything, we have to have a circuit to build. In this case, I've built a circuit consisting of a set of AA batteries going into a power switch, then powering two separate LEDs in parallel. So these ends are touching, these ends are touching, these ends are not touching. This resistor and this LED are paired, and this resistor and this LED are paired. I can even move this over one to make it a little more clear. So these two are paired, and these two are paired. So I hit this power, both lights turn on, and it runs this thing. It's a really simple flashlight, but it will give a sample of how to build something in KiCad. So to get started, we need to start actually designing a circuit. We have to lay out the logical diagram. So we're going to go over to KiCad, and we're going to create a new project. And this project is going to be called, I'll go up to my KiCad folder, into projects. I'm going to make a new folder called 2 LED flashlight. And inside that folder, I'm going to call it flashlight. I'm going to save it. Now I have a file called KiCad Pro, and it has a PCB and a schematic. The first thing we need to do is work on our schematic. Now, to build our schematic, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding elements. So if we look at our circuit starts with our battery. So let's start with our battery. So we're going to click on the add symbol thing. It's going to bring up this diagram. This might take a second the first time you open it. And I'm going to search line because there's tons of stuff. Each of these things has hundreds, could have 15 or 20 things. Under switch, just huge numbers of items, and some of these have even more items underneath them. So we're going to use the search function, and we're looking for battery. And we're going to use the standard battery. So we're going to hit OK. And I'm going to place this on my sheet. And I'm going to hit R to rotate that, because in my circuit, it's this way. I want to follow this exact model. So now I'm going to hit escape, and we're going to then follow our circuit to the next element. So our power comes in and goes to our switch. This is going to be a little harder because there's going to be a lot more options. So we're going to type switch. And I'm going to close these up. So we're looking for a standard switch. Now we have to search through and look for one that has it. So our switch has, if I pull my switch out, our switch has 3 pins. And the switch simply toggles between those. So I'm going to make sure. It's going to happen. Okay. I'm now going to go grab back to my things, and we're going to look through something that has 3 inputs. So nope, 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 nope. Oh, that looks very clear. That looks like a possibility. I think our best bet is this one here. So we'll wire this to nothing, and this one will go off to our power. So I'm going to hit open. Actually, let's grab, because we don't want all 3 of those connectors, let's go grab the one that has just 2 of them. So I'm going to go switch. Close the stuff I don't want. And we're going to look at the simple. That's really what we want. might have to switch this. We'll try this one. If it doesn't work, we'll go to the other one. So we're gonna put this in, and I'm gonna just lay it out where I have it logically, physically on my board. And now the next thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need a pair of LEDs. So again, I'm gonna search for LED, and that's just an LED. So we're gonna okay, and I'm gonna go one LED, two LED. I also need to get a resistor, so I'm gonna go to my piece or type resistor, and we're going to scroll through here, and R is for resistor, and if we do US, we'll get the symbol we're used to. Now, this is not the direction we want, so I'm going to hit R. That looks better. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. It's something weird, so I'm going to highlight this and hit Control C, Control V, and then I can place this in place. I'm still learning KiCad, so I will make mistakes along the way. So that's sort of the nature of this. All right, it's time to start wiring stuff up. So we're going to go to our wire logo, and we're going to start the plus, and the plus goes into the end of our switch. Then our switch goes up to that LED and down to this LED, and then to this resistor, and to this resistor, and then this resistor connects here, and then we just have to go down, around, and back up to. So there's our basic circuit. Next video, we'll see how to double check the circuit works and produce a PCB.